Let me see. Soph, come here. Let me see. Can you sit? Sophie, sit. Sophie, sit.
She's afraid we're going to take it
Sophie,
away
sit.
from her.
Sophie, sit. Can you lay down? Lay down. Good girl.
Bad.
What do you have, So-So?
There's some flesh on it still. Alright, so we're going to have to take that away. Oh, God, there's flesh on it.
No. Okay, so chop, chop.
Okay, now that she's a bad girl, but we've taken all the pictures.
Yeah, so drop. Drop, so drop. Okay. No, drop. No, you're done.
Alright, so we're going to go for a little walk.